Hey guys, this is your boy Neil with Gaza Performance Garage, and I'd like to welcome you to this. Everything redone 100%. No corners cut. The Gaza Performance touch. These tires right here that you see on the wall, these are tires that I would definitely was thinking about putting for if I want to go to the drag strip, or if I would like to do a little long distance driving, because the overall diameter on these wheels are much bigger than the ones that I have on the car, and much wider as well. Right here, the wall is painted gray. In some reason, the gray in this garage, it's very calming, it's relaxing, and it goes well with the water heater that I have. Never thought about that, just did. And here, we have my Gaza Performance Garage sticker that I mounted on the wall. 2 top storage bins, 2 floor storage cabinets, and we got my tools, my ear tools. A bit thrown all over the place due to moving and stuff like that. Don't judge. It will get better though. Yeah, at least this one looks cleaner. We got a lot of loose stuff that I throw in here. Usually in the big drawers I have like loose heavy stuff. That's what I put in here. But over time it will get bigger. Yes, right here on the side I have my 2 compressors. These are the compressors that I had before. Never changed it because really and truly I didn't want to go out of the budget that I have to make this garage the way it is right now. Basically focused on the wall, cabinets, ceiling, and the floor. And of course I have my music. Can't work without music. Right here, this is the first remote control car that I got. This is a Nitro 4-wheel drive. And this is over 15 years old. This one, not so old. Here's the newest one to the collection. And they're all functional. They work very well. All in all, this whole project came through very well. I told you guys, this was a project that I challenged myself to, and look what happened. It materialized. You guys can do it too. I saved $4,000. That's what they were going to charge me for painting the floor, painting the wall, and the roof, and changing the door. But I did good. Okay? You guys, I'd like to thank you for subscribing to my channel. I really appreciate it. Giving me all your likes, your comments, and I'm up for anything. I really don't care. I love reading all of your comments. Gaza Performance Garage is here to stay, and we are on a roll. We are going to make it happen. The Gaza Performance Garage. And I'd like to thank you for joining me on my quest to this. You guys inspired me to do great things. Thank you very much. Enjoy the Gaza Performance Garage channel. There's so much content coming your way. I just got 2 more weeks waiting for this floor to fully dry. Some say I gotta wait 1 month before I can roll a heavy vehicle on this paint. But if you know something that I don't know, please drop a comment on the comment section below. I'd love to hear from you guys. Thank you very much for joining me, guys. And this is the Gaza Performance new and improved garage. Love you. Be safe. Be sure to hit subscribe and be sure to like and share with all of your friends. I encourage you to share. Sharing is caring. That's what they always said, right? Sharing. I want everybody to know who I am. I am Gaza Performance Garage. Your boy, Neil Gaza. Okay? And with that said, thank you for joining. You guys gave me inspiration.